sun gently kiss the land. Golden morning over valleys so grand, green and fertile paradise in view. Warm hearts of people shining through. Peaceful winds and sky so blue, echoing songs of the hills we knew. This is the valley forever true. This is our Ziro, our Ziro. Iizañ Reela Aapyo, Gañtii Lyaso, jiji, marmo, Miyu Mima, miilañ, chimin, miikiñ, Nyañ, ngunu, Ziro. Place where the first rays of sun kiss our valley of eternal bliss. Elegant Ziro, our Ziro. Iizañ Reela, Iizañ Reela, Ziro, Ziro. Guests and travelers fall in love with the valley blessed above. Look to the north, majestic and wide, bamboo forest in emerald pride. Rivulets dancing through pools so clear, meadows and ranchlands far and near. Lapang and Babo, villages divine, where simple lives like ambrosia shine. Iizañ Reela Aapyo, Gañtii Lyaso, jiji, marmo, Miyu Mima, miilañ, chimin, miikiñ, Nyañ, ngunu, Ziro. Turn to the eastern ridges bright, flowers of dawn in glowing light. Pure and radiant colors arise, painting dreams beneath the skies. First young streams of rivers start, flowing like the valley's heart. Gardens, pastures, fields that grow, the soul of life in gentle flow. My birthplace, my world so dear, calling hearts from far and near. Travelers come yet long to stay, lost in Ziro's gentle way. Brethren afar, remember still the valley beyond the hill. Returning home where roots belong to Ziro's land and Ziro's song. Iizañ Reela, place where the first rays of sun kiss, green and fertile paradise bliss. Peaceful valley, heart so warm, sheltered safe from every storm. Birthplace of the Apatani soul, Ziro forever makes us whole. Iizañ Reela, Iizañ Reela, this is our Ziro, our Ziro.